Welcome to Westgate's 2025 Season 2 new product launch. Get ready for an exciting lineup of innovative lighting solutions designed to elevate every project. Let's dive in. Starting with outdoor lighting, the WPMX Half Moon Wall Pack offers power and CCT adjustability and is now available in black, white, bronze, and silver finishes. Its sleek design delivers both style and versatility for your outdoor lighting needs. Building on that, the LWPMAX Spec Series Max Feature Cutoff Wall Pack provides a fully adjustable beam angle, CCT, wattage, and an integrated photocell, giving you ultimate control over your lighting environment. For a coastal-inspired touch, the BKRN Round Nautica bulkhead combines style and durability with selectable CCT, wattage, and a photocell, making it a perfect choice for marine environments. Moving into decorative wall-mounted fixtures, the WMC 6-24 6-inch cylinder wall fixture with 24 inches height features adjustable wattage, CCT, and a built-in photocell, ensuring tailored lighting solutions for any space. Next, the LRS-ML 8-inch mini square lantern blends classic lantern aesthetics with modern technology, offering CCT selectability and a built-in photocell for enhanced performance. Rounding out this category, the LRS-SG seated glass wall sconces bring elegance and flexibility together, with CCT selectable controls, making them a sophisticated addition to any exterior design. Shifting to industrial lighting, LHC Max X-Generation Digital Linear High Bay delivers high wattage performance with sensor-ready capabilities, along with power, CCT, and beam angle adjustability for maximum versatility. For rugged environments, the LVTF 4-foot fiberglass vapor-tight fixture is built to last with IP67, NSF, and DLC certifications, making it ideal for stairways, passageways, and demanding conditions. Transitioning to commercial applications, the SCSL-WM Architectural 0.7-inch slim up and down wall sconce provides separate up-down lighting control, 36 optics, and CCT selectability, combining sleek design with high performance. Meanwhile, the CCL Modern Surface Mount Ceiling Light offers dual dimming and 5 CCT selectable options, delivering the perfect balance of form and function. For vanity lighting, the LVJ Spec Series Vanity Light features a wide PMMA lens and 5 CCT selectable options, ensuring optimal illumination for any vanity space. Similarly, the LVP Vanity Light with PMMA lens operates at 120 volts with 5 CCT selectability, making it a great addition to any bathroom makeover. Over in our new lamps category, we have the T8EZX and CTP X-Generation LED T8 glass lamps offer wattage and CCT adjustability while maintaining Type A and B compatibility for ultimate flexibility. Stepping into residential, we have the RDDF-PIR Builder Series Eco Shallow Recessed Trim includes 5 CCT selectability and an integrated PIR motion sensor, combining efficiency with smart technology. Shifting to disc lights, the DSLT-PIR is a disc light with motion sensor offering 5 CCT selectability and 120 volts operation, ensuring light where you need it, when you need it. And for the smart lighting enthusiasts, we have the TC-RSL-RGBW. Smart app-controlled slim camless wafer lights offer full RGBW color control via an app, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance right in the palm of your hand. And lastly, under the cabinets in the residence is the PSAL Angled Power Strip, and under cabinet lighting provides an integrated power receptacle, delivering both functionality and sleek design for modern workspaces and kitchens. From innovative wall packs to elegant vanity lights and smart controls, Westgate's 2025 Season 2 lineup delivers style, performance, and flexibility for every application. Contact Westgate Manufacturing today to illuminate your next project. Scan the QR code on the screen to visit westgatemfg.com and explore our catalog. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.